Hello guys, today I gonna introduce Makita Cordless Random Orbit Sender, and this is the new box. I not just open it, and this product is right down DBO180. So yes, this is meaning that this product does not come with the battery and the charger because this is a Makita 18 volt lithium ion battery, and the technology is a lithium ion extreme protection technology, yes. And then we see the out is a box is a small and easy. Yes, the you see the image look like awesome. And then I unbox now, just push, and then I unbox it. Yeah, I unbox it already, and we will see together inside has anything. Yes, this is the this is the you know this is the advertisement set, show the battery. One battery can fit with the Makita many tools. Yes, and then this is the instruction manual. Yeah, instruction manual, write down cordless random orbit sender. Yes, okay. And this is a DBO140 and DBO148. 140 and 148 different the battery. 140 the battery is 14.4 volt, and then the 108 the battery is 18 volt. Yes, okay. And then we see this product. Yeah, you see this is a dust bag box. Yeah, dust bag box, the Makita. And then we see the product. Yeah, the sticker right down Makita DBO180 diameter 125. Yeah, this is a diameter of the abrasive disc. Yeah, size. This is a head size only 123 millimeter. And then this product is made in United Kingdom. Yes, and material and yeah, speed 1,000 11,000. Yeah, 11,000. Okay. And then 18 volt star. This is the smooth. This is the product that this is stop button, and this is a 1, 2, 3 speed. Yeah, it has a 3 speed. Okay, more one. And then this is the battery, 3 ampere, 18 volt. Yeah, the yellow one is a microcomputer. Yes. And then we insert to the battery. Okay, and then push it, start. Okay, this is how the 3 speed. This is the box of dust bag. Okay, take it out. That's inside Makita. This is dust box, dust bag of DBO180. Yes. Okay. That's all. Okay. Let me see how to use. See specification. The the specification is the pepper size, yeah, pepper size 125, and low speed, middle speed, and high speed. And then for the weight, yes, net weight 1.7 kilogram. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is for the carpenter. Yes, the carpenter using it, and this is a good product. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get in more video. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye.